Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be decorating this beautiful Paw Patrol theme cake with you. Please, if this is a video you're interested in watching, keep watching this video. For the cake toppers, I have a video on how you can make your cake toppers without buying them from the market. Yes, you can do them yourself. I will have a video on that. I'm going to leave the link of that video on the description box. So here I have my cake already crumb coated. This is my fondant. I've shared this fondant recipe, so if you need the fondant recipe, I will leave the link for you. So for what we need for this cake, we need a sky blue. So for me to achieve this sky blue, I'm going to add a little blue color to my white fondant. Here I think this is a royal blue color, but I'm going to add just a little of the color to the white fondant for me to achieve it. So guys, I'm working with 8 inches cake. The fondant I have here is 1 kg fondant. I'm going to be decorating this cake with this 1 kg fondant. I am also going to cover the board with this 1 kg fondant. So you watching this video, you're going to learn how to economize your fondant. You're going to learn how to make your fondant cover your cake perfectly and also cover your board without having issues. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to this amazing channel because we have beautiful recipes to share with you. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you can share this video, please help me share this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video. So after covering your cake with your fondant, you can either use a steamer to steam the cake, or you can use vegetable oil to clean out the excess corn flour or the excess icing sugar on the cake, so that your cake will be shining. If you don't have a steamer to steam your cake, you can either use vegetable oil or your white vinegar to steam your cake. You can make all these beautiful cake toppers buying them from the market. Yes, I have a video on how to make your cake toppers without spending much money. So watch out for that video. It's in my channel, or I'm going to leave the link on the description box. So here we are, our cake is beautiful and it is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. We have come to the end of this cake decorating class. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you have not subscribed to this channel.